ثلاث ريال ثلاث
ممكن هذا؟
لا 3 دراهم.
واو. هذا hummus صح؟ hummus potatoes and eggs as well.
30 ريال.
Okay, ممكن واحد. To be honest guys, I don't know exactly what he's going to put inside. All of them or just a few? We are going to find out. Right, so starting off with the potatoes.
30 ريال. 30. رايح 30. عام 30. ثلاثين ريال. 30. 30 ريال. عام 30. 30 ريال مليح. 30 ريال. 3 دراهم.
60 ريال. هي حموس وسكسوكه.
30 ريال. 3 دراهم. 30 ريال. عاد 30 ريال. 30. 30 ريال. عاد 30 ريال.
بشان؟
30 ريال مليح.
Okay, so got the sandwich in hand. Oh, that was only 9 dirhams. Barbu's Lood is just down that way. So I'm like a minute from Barbu's Lood. If you guys want to check it out, it's right here, the Casbah. This is the Casbah, right here. So it's very close by to the main tourist destination, Barbu's Lood. So yeah, if you're here, check him out. Guys, so we've got the bread here with everything inside it. I'm gonna take a quick bite. Bismillah. To be honest, it's so flipping huge. I'm gonna need at least a bottle of water or some juice while I eat this. But very good. As I'm eating it, I'm realizing everything's a lot softer than I expected. Even the bread, super soft. And the ingredients on the inside, everything's just super easy and just consumable, right? Just goes down super easy. Bloody hell, this is so much. 9 dirhams as well. Cannot complain with the price. Spot on. So we are right next to, as you can see, Casper behind me. And we've got some drinks here. Right, I think it's melon juice. So yeah, let's get a glass and let's get some refreshment. Why? Why? So grams there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's not orange, it's melon. Oh wow, but that hits the spot. It is like easily above 20 degrees, right? And it's only around 12:45-ish. It's gonna get super hot. But yeah, this is absolutely bang on. Still nearby to Barbu's Lood. Barbu's Lood is literally just down that way. Or you can go down that narrow street this way. Right? So it's been in close proximity if you are in Fez to the main centre, right? The main tourist attraction. That's all finished. Right, let's pay. Bishal? Juice. شكرا. السلام عليكم. لا شكرا. Okay. شكرا نسيت. I forgot my self stick. شكرا أستاذ. السلام عليكم. Right guys, so There's a place that was doing near the sandwich spot something that looked quite interesting, so I'm gonna go check that out. Let's go. Guys, I just seen something that I have to show you guys. I have to show you guys this. Check this out. Hello, pal. How are you doing, mate? Right, not just him. There is so many of these guys. Look at them. Right? You see these every morning. It's literally 20 or 30 cats. Usually there's more, but they are all resting. There you go, you got some more underneath the bicycle. Crazy. Crazy, crazy indeed. أستاذ شنو هذا؟ شنو سميتها؟
هذاك تيقولوا له سايكو اللي بنو.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, wow, look at that, guys.
سيكو كيخلطوا البن.
Circle.
سيكو زوين زوين
زوين؟
زوين.
عمر له هذا. ممكن واحد هذا. So it's these small little things, and I'm guessing he puts this kind of milk sauce on top of it.
الله يبارك فيك ولدي.
Shukran. Right guys, so yeah, it's made of small tiny little balls. Super loud in it. It's part of the vibe. Right? The liquidy sauce is really sour. It's a really sour liquidy kind of sauce. But it's nice though. I need to find out how much this costs. معلم؟ معلم؟ بشحال؟ 4 dirhams guys, 4 dirhams.
بارك الله عليك.
Okay, wait, you're telling me to drink it.
مزيانة مزيانة والله إلا مزيانة.
Super sour. Sour.
هذيك راه زوين زوين
زوين. زوين بزاف.
مزيان مزيان زوين. شكرا.
5. شكرا. شكرا. Right guys, now next destination. Oh, super sour that was. Right, next destination, let's go. Right guys, so I found probably next place to go and try out some food over here. Let's go. We've got what looks like adas, which is lentils, and little beer, which is like beans, like fava beans. عندك لعبية؟
نعم.
لعبية؟
لوبيا
يا ممكن.
هذا حمص.
حمص. نعم.
لوبيا.
لوبيا.
عدس.
عدس.
دوارة.
I don't know what that one is. Okay, ممكن واحد لعبية وخبز. شكرا. شكرا. Thank you. ها؟ لا. No salad. شكرا. Right, there we go guys. These usually are super affordable, right? Like around less than 10 dirhams. It's like less than $1, right? Very affordable. And yeah, you can just sit outside, as you guys can see. We're still within very close regions of the main tourist centre, right? Bar Blue is just down that way. So yeah, let's get a quick view of what's cooking. Okay now, salt. Look around. شكرا. That's okay. That's fine. هذا ديالي؟
ديالك
ديالي. Okay, yeah, that's
انا
fine.
جاي لك ديالك.
Oh, they're giving me some hummus as well, I think.
لا.
لا.
لا،
بس هذا.
لا.
هذا صافي. شكرا.
صح هذا.
Thank you. Right, let's get this down. Shukran. Wow, look at that, guys. That is going to go in my belly. Down my mouth and in my belly. Shukran. Shukran. Ooh. Alright, I hope that is good. Alright, let's tuck in then, guys. Bread is super soft. Rip that bad boy open. Right, and let's tuck in. Right, there we go. Got it drenched in that little bit of sauce. That's really good, guys. Perfect kind of breakfast food. So over here. Right, guys, I'm going to attempt with one hand to, as they say, show you how it's done. Right, so you rip the bread open, spread it out, and then you just, attempt to get all that goodness in one scoopful. There we go. I did a good job. Now in my mouth. Down in one. Just get a bit of the chickpeas. Pretty decent as well.
17 5 10 11 12 13 14 15 صافي.
Right, that was 17 dirhams. Last time I ate in a place like that, it was around, I think it was around 8. It was around 8 dirhams. But I did just get lentils. Maybe because I ordered lobia. I didn't get the chickpeas, but they were nice, so who cares, right? Mix it in with the bread, why not? Win-win, right? Right, so let's walk down here and find more food. Right, I just literally want one banana just to try out. So I'm gonna ask him if I can literally just buy one, and fingers crossed he says yes. Oh, actually, wait, there's a guy there. أستاذ بشحال واحد موز؟
واحد موز 20 درهم.
20 لواحد. بزاف.
انت جاي تشري ولا جاي تصور؟ باغي نتفاهم واش انت جاي تشري ولا جاي تصور؟
أكلها.
تشريها؟
نعم.
5 درهم.
أوكي شكرا.
يلا راه وحده ولا جوج؟
فقط واحد بالفيديو.
يلا.
وحدة.
5 درهم وبالفيديو 20 درهم. انت الفيديو خصك تخلصها من يلا هاك.
اوكي خذها 10.
لا.
خذ 10.
لا 20.
لا
ثمن الفيديو.
20.
الفيديو بلا الفيديو انت غتصور منه لاقط.
اوكي واحد 5.
لا.
ولأن أنك رجل جيد. رجل كريم خذ 10. شكرا أستاذ. Thank you. Right, so I'm glad I got that all recorded, to be honest. So yeah, first I thought, I had a feeling he was joking. Well, he was joking, but honestly, I don't actually see how much he took. Let me actually check. I just want to have one banana. Right, I'm gonna taste what it's like. Oh no, he actually gave me. Oh no, I feel bad now. I should have checked. he was joking, right, originally. And I told him, okay, just take 10 because you're letting me record, whatever. Take an extra 5. Well, he's giving me 15 change. I gave him 20. What a nice guy. But yeah, I guess the Arabic came in use there. Right? Don't know where that came from. But... Right, anyway, I'm going to eat this strategically right in front of Babajlood. Right, let's take a taste of the fruits, right? The fruits here are special, guys. If you are coming here, as well as the street food, try out the strawberries, try out the mangoes, the oranges, etc, etc, because all of them are banging. Right, let's eat this on camera. Guys, banana taste test. Yeah, these are solid, guys. You've got to try them all. It just tastes so much more fuller. That's a good way to describe it. Also, like, lots of flavor. Right? But really, really good, guys.